This WordPress site still has a pile of images with missing alt text. Fixing them one by one is how that number never moves. I'm going to show you the full cleanup workflow: scan, prioritize, generate, review, so you can clear alt debt without living in the media library. Opening every image, typing Alt, saving, opening the next one. That feels productive for 10 minutes, then you stop. The debt stays, accessibility stays broken, image SEO stays patchy. You don't need more willpower, you need a workflow that works at library scale. Start in beep beep AI Alt Text generator, scan the library, filter to the images that are missing alt or need review. Now you're looking at the real debt, not a random folder of thumbnails. That number on screen is your starting line. Don't start with every spacer and background swirl. Prioritize featured images, product photos, images that carry meaning in posts and pages. Decorative leftovers can wait or stay empty when empty is correct. A smaller priority set gets finished. A giant unsorted pile doesn't. Generate ALT for that priority set in one pass. You're not writing 300 captions by hand. You're filling the gaps fast, so review has something useful to check. Keep the batch sized so you can still spot check. Generate is step 3, not the finish line. Now the part most people skip. Review, open a suggestion that looks off. Wrong object, vague product, image, or keyword stuffing. Edit it to a short sentence that matches the frame. If it's decorative, clear it. You're not rejecting AI, you're supervising the batch, so filled doesn't mean finished. That's the payoff. The missing count moves because you worked a workflow, not because you heroically clicked every attachment. Repeat the loop, scan, prioritize, generate, review. Full site cleanup is a series of finished batches, not one endless Saturday. If you want that full loop in one WordPress workspace, beep beep AI Alt Text generator is free on wordpress.org. Link in the description. opti.dev/plugins/alt-text. Scan the debt, clear it in batches, review before you save. For the review checklist that stops bad AI ALT going live, watch the review before you save video next. Subscribe for more practical WordPress image SEO. And remember, ALT debt clears with a workflow. Scan, prioritize, generate, review.